So it's Justin Gross with Hop2TheTop. I'm here with Bresley at SERVPRO of Miami Lakes, just reviewing our search campaign so far. We've been working together here now for what is it, about 6 months or so. And can you just just talk a little bit about what you've benefits that you've seen so far and what you've experienced at working with us at Hop2TheTop so far?
Of course. Well, my name is Bresley Jaramillo, owner of SERVPRO of Miami Lakes and Doral. I've been working with Hop2TheTop 6 months and a little bit more than that. The experience has been very good actually. It's an area that we realized that we didn't have the expertise. So thanks to a very professional approach, we established a strategy on how to get more inorganic calls, especially in our residential area. It's been a pleasure working with Hop2TheTop. It's a very transparent process. The only advice that I could have to somebody else is, just trust in the process and be open in discussing and sharing, what are your real needs and goals. Again, it's been a pleasure.
Thanks very much.